there's a very interesting contrast between Pryde and Nicholson's careers. Whilst Nicholson was always in the ascendant, always moving forward, always very, very popular, Pryde hit a peak. He was famous in the 1920s, spoken of as a great and promising force in British art, but largely because of his difficult character, his star faded, and it's probably fair to say that until relatively recently he's been the forgotten figure of British art. It's fascinating, in fact, because the contrast between their work would suggest that we ought to be looking closely at Pryde now, because in some ways his kind of painting is the kind of painting that's becoming very, very popular. Nicholson had a kind of smooth approach. He painted delicious still lives and lovely landscapes. With Pryde, you look at the pictures and what you're aware of is the materiality of the picture. You see the canvas, rough canvas very often, and very, very distinct marks of paint. In a picture like this, you can see that the imagination behind it has actually really worked with a real sense of the physicality of painting a picture. Pryde has an amazing ability to make us enveloped in the subject as he sees it.